Wait, I'm going to talk to my friends. Wait. He's really grown, huh? Yeah. Wait. Good morning from us. It's 10:20. I'm just reading messages, emails. I had a lovely time yesterday. I'm still thinking about it. Okay, today I yeah. Wait, Mama. I'm going to call the groomers and see whether I can take her today. I feel bad, for canceling twice. And then I need to go to the post office. Go to the post office. Oh, King George. Oh my God. Let me go and put the bones out. Let it talk. Ayo. Yes. Wait. Go and pack your bag. We're going